Good morning, everyone, from the beautiful hill of Bungro-Down. Today is 11th of January 2023, second day of YAA conference mo na ikinase. Aro mokan Langgung village ase aro itu mokan la game area ase. Aro aji tu second day mokan games and sports even ase in the morning shift. Samhali cultural program ase. To aji la update tu thakibo hamni ambi na kambi sai thakibi. Aro yadi ase mokan la president Mr. Dodoim. Dala channel bi ase gi ase channel do. Dodoim na. Utai phone olop tife ko ina bishi deri update na korina ase. Dala channel bi jagena yadi nam olagena ase yadi click korina. Tai kebe subscribe kori dibi.
Hey, beautiful people of Bungro, we are enjoying a lot here.
Dodo, just want to ask you one thing. Bungro do apni first time na kina ase.
Actually, alag jagah de jadam to par korna chai. Bishi chai sai she. Pehले step back korna ya di stay korna thaga to first time ase.
So how is your experience coming to Bungro town?
Describe korle be eto to khotom na korobo because it's so beautiful view khan hoile be aro mukhan la game ra mon sara mati aram clear ra bai view be iman mocha ase aro experience adi sob hospitality manokan lagi ki sob bishi bhala ase ekdam bhala ase chakas
Moi karne Bungro do first time aya ase. Of course alag jaga busti jadam ni do baro ina jase hole bi stay back ra do hole first time ase. To makhan Aji games and sports khili wala ase dia 7:30 ase aur mone dia phat khai na dia games and sports sa wala wala ase na khambi mojin la channel de ade update kuri thakibo sai thakibi. Hi boss kilega
palas de
kedula Bungro kedula
tiket
athabu
masti aiga
first time I guess shida shibu bi sha kita lai
third time this chingchum kia first time
then new experience ke dia
kelang rang game la Bungro kelang ai gata de kelang home field so ni be gulong rok lang do in the home field so
dale gulung ngela shimulong
Bungro be lu ai lu la
tu shar ba guru ka
first class
Akiba
no lang mo itu rock meat betul ya.
God bless you. Together